Welcome to Meet's Kitchen. Once again, we have another new session. We are making goat meat, and goat meat I have over and 1 kilogram goat and one big onion, 2 tomatoes crushed, 2 teaspoons of cilantro, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons, 2 green chilies, and 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 is ginger. Also here 2 tablespoons I have coriander powder and also red chili powder, and rest of the is one of that garam masala, spice chili, roasted cumin, and 1/4 of turmeric, and also some dry ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 black cardamom, 4 green, 3 bayleaves, and 5 clove, and few of them is black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So now we start our cooking. We'll add oil, probably like 6 tablespoons of oil, because you know that goat and some food needs little bit oily. So we'll add cumin seed and also all dry spice. Now I add green chili and also onion. Onion I'm taking a little bit more crushed so that will help us to fry quick. So now onion and green chilies will take time, probably at least between 4 and 5 minutes. So now you can see that our onion is very good fried. At this point we will add garlic and ginger paste. We'll let it cook like about 10 minutes to get this whole rawness dry. Now we add all our dry masalas. And with our crushed tomato. Now we will let it cook probably 5 to 7 minutes. So now we will add our yogurt. I let it cook with these all spices like close to 4.5 minutes to 5, and it turned out very good. So at this point we will add yogurt, and we will let cook yogurt for a couple of minutes. You can see that our spices roasted very good. At this point we will add our meat. So I add all meat in it, and you can see that. Now we will let it cook. Probably I mix very well, so we will let it cook probably 15 minutes. And since we have bones, but this part is really very good cast iron, and it works like a cooker. But I really like it. It's cooking very well. Rather, over pressure cooker I like this cast iron. So if you can find something, please experience with that. It's really nice part. So I'll let it cook probably like another 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes we will see you. Now we can check after like 8 minutes. You can see that our meat is cooking very well. At this point you can see that lot of water coming out from the goat. So now I am planning to add water, and I'm adding 2 cups of water. So we can let it cook another like 10 to 15 minutes. In between I will check that, but you can see that it's cooking very well. So friends, now we can see that our part is ready for the goat curry, and I will add like tablespoon of lemon juice, and for the garnish we will add cilantro. Now you can see our goat meat is done, and it took in the crock pot probably like 42 minutes. But with the crock pot, it's not crock pot, cast iron. So the cast iron is really good for the cooking. So I like that method. It takes just little bit of time, but it cooks very good. So I hope you enjoy this meal, and please follow the recipes. You will really love it. Until then, I'll be come back another with the simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.